Very good morning, friends and traders. One of my viewer purchased my indicator and he was telling he is trading in crypto. So I never explored this crypto. Just I applied my indicator on this crypto. This is NEIRO USDT and it is working so beautifully. I'm on 1 minute chart which will give me 15 minutes balance pivots. The pivot is here and Gan Hilo trend combo. The price, it was moving higher and it started coming down. And on an hourly chart, I marked this line so that let that be my guidance, just to see that. Because on an hourly, there were all the pivots were converging each other. Then I wanted to see whether the trend will develop for the upside or the downside. So when I saw that it was it could not sustain, suddenly a lot of volatility in this instrument. You can see in 1 minute time frame it is coming down. I don't know how much lot size or how one can purchase, but the thing is how it is working. That is working is important. So you can get the trade in this. Actually, how many are there? Let me see how many came down. 11 bars, 12. So around 15 bars, this pivots will converge and again trend will be established. Let us check around 6:15, the 6:16 exactly. My pivots will converge and to show you the trend continuation, or it appears trend continuation. Let us see, because all are in red. See the web bands. Yes, you can see over here they converged and a black color. Black color means it is neutral. So immediately what you need to do, you need to mark this. Mark this and you need to trade. Let us see what sort of trend. Because still the price is the convergence balance line is below the Gan Hilo. So only if it starts moving above, then it will be positive. Otherwise, all the pivots are red, converged, and created a rebalance line at this place. When all this conversion create a line, that is a rebalance line. So you need to mark that rebalance line for trading. So after the formation of the convergence of the formation of a rebalance line, the pivots are opening up. You can see over here. Pivots are opening up, a narrow band has come. But the Gan Hilo is here. If it were to be here and the Gan Hilo comes down and turns blue, it was a buy signal. It appears in this period of 15 minutes, still it is down. It is going to go down. So just for a demonstration sake, how my indicator is superior, universal, how it can be traded very well. You can see the price is moving down after this balance line. So now it is a immediate reference line for us. Now let us see what it is, whether it is a manipulation or whether it will be a turnaround. Something it is going downward. Now it is 6:15. You can see, you can trade better. So for a sample trade, I recorded this. All these bars coded for sell. Sell signals have been coded. Now it is showing some sort of neutrality. neutrality, it comes and goes. You are not going to react on that. So confirmed trade will be when all the pivots turn green. There is no chance. It can, if the price moves above the pivot, they can turn green, but the GAN hilo is far away. So then the trend is not there, it is a pullback. Still, my indicator plots sell signal. Okay, friends, as a sample trade, I've recorded this and how you can trade in the even on the crypto. This video is for crypto traders. I have recorded live for the crypto traders to demonstrate how superior my indicator is there. Why delay? You can contact me on 98452 09600. Message me on WhatsApp to buy this indicator. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.